Ikaw, wala ka kung tomorrow, nag-school bukas.
Yes, tomorrow. Tapos yun pwede ko.
Ano daw?
Tito Zombie is asking if you will go to school tomorrow.
I said, stop. I have no more birthday now. Kaya
So you
my
will,
pops.
you will not go to school anymore?
Yes. I want die ako. Please, I want ako.
Okay, kwento mo muna kay Tito Zombie yung ano, yung hamster.
Gusto ko na.
Ay, why?
Because I don't like it. Tired na ako.
Tired ka na?
Ay,
Yes.
kwento mo yung ano, yung kagat mo sa hands.
Yes?
Yeah.
Tired na ako.
Tired na. And show your face. Show your face. Dali, show your face. Smile. Show your... Ang cute ng hair mo, no?
Tignan mo ko, ha?
How about I ayos your hair para gwapo ikaw?
Sige,
Diba?
yun ha. Kupit ako.
Gupit ka ni Mama.
Yes.
Ayos natin yung hair para gwapo si Chuchu.
What's that? What's that?
Yan. Oh, show that. Show that to Tito Zombie. Oh, gwapo Chuchu.
What's
Oh.
that? What's that?
That's Chuchu. 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 Kai Kai. Chuchu. Chuchu.